Hello and welcome to this month's video blog. Today I'm going to discuss the connection kits that we have available for our cut-to-length heating cable in a roof and gutter application. We offer two different kits for roof and gutter applications when using our cut-to-length version of our self-regulating heating cable. Starting off with the first kit, this is a kit that is intended to tailor the heating cable into a junction box. Within the kit, we do not include the junction box, so this would be electrician-supplied, but this would provide a very clean, neat installation and is the more common route taken in residential, commercial type applications with long length heating cable requirements. Within the kit, it provides the termination for the power connection, but it also includes a heat shrink for the end termination of the heating cable. What I may also suggest is upgrading to one of our end seals. This is a silicone end seal. It's a mechanical seal, and this kit will provide a better option for water tightness. In roof and gutter, a heat shrink works very well. It's all that you may need. But if there's any case where you may be concerned that the heating cable could be immersed underwater for long periods of time, I would recommend upgrading to this end seal kit. So the kit we've just been discussing is what we call our 1548-40 RGP, and the end seal upgrade is our SRHC-ES end seal kit. The second kit that we offer is a plug-in version, which features a 120 volt plug with an inline ground fault. We also offer a 240 volt option, so 240 volt plug with a 240 volt inline ground fault with a cold lead extension included. Now within the kit, there are a series of crimps, heat shrinks to make that connection to the heating cable. And we also provide that silicone style end termination with this particular kit. In addition to, we also have the warning labels associated with this kit. The plug-in kit is only available for 15 amp circuit sizes. So 120 volt 15 amp, 240 volt 15 amp. The hardwire version that would terminate the cable into a junction box, this kit would allow for 15 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp application, 120 and 240 volt. So if additional heating cable length needs to be applied to the circuit and you're looking at using a 20 or a 30 amp circuit size opposed to a 15, then this would be the kit that you would use. If you're working within a 15 amp circuit size, the plug-in kit would be a viable option of consideration. We hope you found this month's video blog helpful. We will continue to release a new vlog monthly. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter and be sure to check out our social media pages and our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.